Hi, good evening. Welcome to Third World Cinema Club. Ayun, ako nga pala si Elora Españo and tonight is a very special night kasi anniversary ng grupong ito and I will be hosting. And now, sige, introduce muna kayo isa-isa.
Ay, parang napasama yung hosting natin kasi magaling si Laura.
Oo nga parang nagbuka tayo.
Yung intros natin, look.
We're like
Medyo
amateurs
formal
eh.
ba?
Look, amateur.
Yeah. Don't with the pro eh. Don't mess with the pros.
Sige.
Grabe, I'm not a pro. Medyo first time. Sige, introduce.
I'm John Tawasil from Present Confusion. My adjective is fat.
Self-deprecating.
Yeah. Self-deprecating.
Hi, I'm Jim of Jimmy Nicolet. Iba pa? Description of myself?
Ultra
Mysterious.
Wow, mysterious.
Hi, I'm Tristan Zinampano, rapper, Screen Anarchy, Film Police, and more. And I am tired. Physically tired right now.
And
Hello, I'm DJ Ramones, and I'm a Zen person.
Obviously. Obviously, by his voice.
and on her way.
Mag-om ka nga, mag-om. Wala
Pang-
na.
pang
Deep
Jollibee.
sleep na tayo, guys. Podcast for
Sleep
deep
podcast pa. And on her way here is Princess Kinok of Film Police Reviews, and she's late.
Yeah. Adjective to describe Princess, it's late.
Late.
Okay, so
Hardworking.
Hardworking siya, kaya siya late.
Yeah.
Hardworking.
Personable. Oh yeah, Princess
Naman.
50.
Okay.
Yes, priority.
daming bills eh.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, so we shall have
Elora will surprise us with some mechanics or some questions that she made.
Yes.
And we have no idea what
Yeah, we have no idea.
what we have in store today.
The
Hindi,
most
nag-review na
exciting
sila.
episode
Yeah.
ever.
Yeah. Pop quiz.
Tanong.
Pop
Pop
quiz.
quiz, hot
Pop
shot.
quiz pala.
You're not so good at
Yes.
movies
Okay.
after all.
Okay.
Okay, so I would like to start off with John kasi siya yung pinakabibo sa lahat.
What?
I will ask you
Sure.
8 questions. Actually, 10 na lang.
Oh, 10 questions. Sige, sige.
Dumami!
Ano ba to? Fast ano ba to?
Fast lang ba to, Boy
It's
Abunda?
not fast talk.
Okay.
Ano naman.
Sure, go.
Para
go.
lang ma-elaborate kung sino ka ba talaga.
Oh my.
Ooh.
Ayan. Okay, first question.
Mhm.
Random to, anything under the sun eh.
Sure.
If you can live anywhere in the world, what country would you choose and why?
Easy, easy
High tide or low
answer.
tide?
High tide or low tide? Kasi ako, I've always loved yung culture ng Japan, so I would like to live there if given the chance. Kasi I love the culture, love the people. I mean, of course, the work environment is not as, it's not as it's put out to be. Pero I would like to spend time there, retire there if I have a lot of money.
Hikikomori. Ayan.
Yeah, kahit na mag-cashier lang ako, masaya na ako. Hello,
Sige nga.
potato chips, this.
Okay. And second question. Since sinabi mong fat ka, I don't believe you're fat.
I'm
What's the
sexy.
sexiest part of your body?
What's the sexiest part of my body? My brain.
Yeah.
That's a good answer. Thank you for
For that wonderful question.
thank you for this wonderful question. I think it's my brain because of my advocacy for film literacy. Thank you. Alzheimer's. Yan.
Okay. Third question. What would be your dream job?
My dream job. Gigolo din. Joke lang. My dream job would be, my hobby right now is watching films, writing about films. If that would be my job, I don't know I would hate it, pero it would be a nice thing to do. Kasi I like writing about films.
Parang lumalalim na yung mga tanong. Parang
Yeah. I mean,
self-reflection.
Ever since like the early 2000s, nagsusulat na ako about films. Either mga project or with friends na hindi naman nila binabasa yung reviews ko.
Kung binabasa namin yung reviews mo.
And like, yung college friends. College friends. Pero yun nga it's fun. Writing is fun. It's hard, but it's fun. Pero I would like something involved with, movies. Yeah. Maybe a dream job.
Okay. Sige. What is the most impressive thing you know how to do?
Holy shit, wait lang.
Skills. The John
Like what?
Something you're proud of.
Something I'm proud of.
Okay lang na explicit. Okay lang sabihin mo sa
Okay
amin
lang
yung,
yan.
I can.
you're good at, I can put fish in my mouth. Ganun.
Oh my God. Sample.
No, wait.
Very graphic na po, guys.
Alam mo ako, I'm the kind of person na, kumbaga jack of all trades, master of none. So I'm not really particularly good at just any one thing. Pero I appreciate, I guess semi-proud of the fact that I can do so many things. I have the time and the privilege to do so many things at the same time. Yeah, so my job, my hobbies, whatever. Ayun. And I have the ability to do so.
Okay, what do you wish you knew more about?
Personally, I like to study languages. So I wish I knew how to speak more languages than I can already speak. Kasi, especially with films, language is, with knowledge of language, you know additional things about media, about culture that you wouldn't get if you didn't understand other languages. So yun, I wish I knew a lot more other languages than English, Filipino. Yun.
Duolingo na yan.
Duolingo. Actually, I'm working my way through Chinese, ni hao. For practical purposes in the future, you never know.
Okay, eto. Kung pelikula ka, anong pelikula ka?
Nice question. Thank you for that wonderful question. Gosh, anong klase akong pelikula?
Jason Pollock sa mga
Grabe naman
Ideas.
po. With no offense to JPL. Jason Bourne Laksamana.
Yes.
The new
You're prolific and you have good ideas. So,
what kind of film would I be? I would be yung parang yung genre-less na parang patalan-talan ng genres. Ganun. Something like, wala akong example. Ano ba?
Lady Bird. I don't know.
Hindi, genre-less yung parang
Cloud Atlas.
pwede, ganon, yung parang drama, na comedy, na action, mishmash. Medyo mahirap intindihin, pero enjoyable. Yan. Parang ganon. The Lookout. It's about gay hired killers, it's a drama, it's a sex film,
Contradiction. Zombie film.
With...
Kung pagkain ka, anong pagkain ka?
Anong pagkain ako? Ayokong sabihin yung mga obvious choices like lechon, what do you call this? Something maybe Mediterranean. Yung maraming halo. Maraming halo, masarap. Nakakabusog. Yan. Ganun. Walang kinilaw. Chop suey. Chop suey.
May book kasi si John called Emotional Landscape, self-published back in 2009.
Yes, right.
And sinare na niya
Read my
yung book na yun sa amin. And one of our favorites there is yung Chop Suey Angel. Tama ba? Yun ba yung title nun?
Yun. And yun. Halo-halo, masarap. Easy-ish to make. Ayun na si Princess. Yan.
Yay!
Ang babaeng.
Okay, last question na ba
Last
tayo?
question. Mhm.
Best time for sex.
Best time for sex.
Right now?
Alam mo,
Right now?
ito
Last question.
Without giving anything away, the best time of sex is when you have,
Protection.
hindi when you have protection.
Or when you're married.
Well,
Religious.
my first answer to that is, when it's the right time, it's the best time. Wow. Second, mas exciting pag pag limited pag may time constraints. Not to say na quickie,
As in
pero if you
bondage, constraints, physical constraints, or...
have time constraints.
Okay.
Pero I'm not gonna judge if you're into,
Okay.
you know,
Sure
if you're
thing,
into kinky stuff,
Mr. Gray.
that's fine. Kinky time is also good time. So,
That's,
if it's the right time,
Walang medical.
yun bang campaign ano mo? Campaign sa mga gano'n. Kinky time.
advice. Well, as a doctor, whenever you want, as long as it's not harming anyone else and you're
As
having
long
fun.
as you love me, ganun.
As long as you love each
Para
other.
sa kita ng jeep, gano'n. Whenever you want.
As long as you love each other, anytime is the right time to get it on. That's it. Yeah, when two become one.
Nagiging kanta na po kami, guys.
All right.
Okay, let's move on to Jim.
Pala agad.
Okay.
Okay.
Go, Jim.
Okay, first question.
Okay.
What embarrasses you the most, or what has been your most embarrassing
Parang
moment?
kinabahan ako sa round ko. Parang, parang ano.
Kay Tristan,
Me, I believe kapag yung tao is binabastos na ako. Yun. Ganon. Embarrassing moment. Ayoko na i-share.
Who do you look up the most, and what qualities you love about that person?
Sabi ah. Grabe yung tanong.
Grabe to! Ang kulit mo. Anuhin mo nga to, Laura. Pag si Tristan.
Mamaya,
na.
marami-rami kay Tristan.
Matulis-tulis na. Ano.
Sorry, pero magiging biblical ako. That would be Paul. Kasi naging radical yung transformation niya. No, Saint Paul. Ganun.
St. Paul, Saul the Saul.
That
Saul.
saint. And Mahatma Gandhi. Si Gandhi.
Okay. Ano yung qualities? Bakit sila yung...
Yun nga, nasabi ko with Paul kasi radical yung transformation niya, from persecutor and then grabe yung yung transformation niya to spread the gospel. Yun. With Gandhi kasi, di ba kasi si Gandhi meron siyang quote na
Satyagraha.
no, yung sabi niya na I love your Jesus, yung sa mga Christians, but I hate you Christians. Kasi, di ba, yung mga Christians during that time, during the British Empire, is ina-abuse nga nila yung mga Indian people.
Parang hanggang ngayon.
Yeah, until now. So,
Not all, but...
saka yung niya, ano ba tawag doon? Yung non-resistance ba yun? Or nakalimutan ko
Yun, Satyagraha.
Yun yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya. Ayan.
Peaceful resistance.
Peaceful resistance.
Phobia or biggest fear?
Aminado, yung form of dying. Not the death itself, but form of dying. Kasi di ko alam eh. Ano yung magiging kamatayan ko yun? Yun yung biggest fear.
Hala.
What's your all-time favorite memory?
Favorite memory.
Pagkasama ka.
Siguro yung nung bata pa ako, yung naliligo sa ulan with my cousins. Ganon. Kasi hindi ako yung pala, nakikimingle with other kids nung bata pa ako. So, yun.
Kasi si Jim yung bully sa kanila dati. So,
Kaya akong binubuli.
bawal ka lumapit kay Jim or else pipingutin ka niya. Ganyan.
Parang Irene Villamor sa ulan.
Okay. What's your favorite thing you own and why?
Siguro panyo, kasi pabisin yung kamay ko. Ate V, charot.
Ito medyo magpa-pry kami sa life mo.
Hala.
Hinawahala ko.
Who was the last na to eh? Who was the last person who made you cry and why?
Who made me cry?
Not necessarily who, pwede ring, what?
What? Death of my parents. Kasi, iba na yung kapag wala ka ng magulang. Ayun. Bilang maiiyak, charot.
Medyo mabigat.
Yeah. Parang ayoko na mag-joke after. Sorry to hear,
Ay,
Jim.
ito na lang. 5 years from now, how do you see yourself?
5 years from now, how do I see myself? Bigat ng tanong
Yes.
Parang job interview ba ito?
Hindi naman. Miss Universe question.
I believe I'm still here doing podcast. Yun.
Yay! So magkakaroon ng 5-year anniversary.
Dito yung dramatic piano music.
Literally daw, nasa kwarto na to si Jim. 5 years from now, kahit wala siya kasama. Kahit ibenta na namin yung bahay. Ito pa rin.
Dito pa rin kami.
Dito pa rin kami.
Magsisneak.
Yeah.
Makikigamit mo.
Okay, let's move on to DJ.
Elora.
Oh, DJ. Why are you
Si
forcing?
DJ na. Zen.
Yes.
Zen
Si
mode.
Mr. Zen.
Kahit hindi fast ako, hindi fast.
Susunod.
Hindi naman to game, no? There are
Ay,
no
di
winners
naman.
and
Di
losers.
naman. First question. Paano maging Zen? Joke lang. Hindi, joke lang. Do you have any regrets? If
Mag-meditate ka
so,
lang.
what?
Regrets?
Pagpunta dito.
Sana natulog na lang ako.
Actually, wala. Or I like to think na wala akong regrets kasi cliche pero anything that you regret is an opportunity for learning, di ba? So, parang zen nga ako, di ba? So, I just accept life as is, ganun. Just do better next time. Ganun.
Ramones, Book of Quotes.
Pwede natin i-splice to, tas parang in between episodes eh. No?
Okay, sige. Anong napanaginipan mo last night?
Hindi ko maalala. Hindi ko naalala palagi yung mga...
Or yung pinaka-vivid dream na you
Yung
had
recent
recently?
Mo. Yeah.
Inaaway ko yung nanay ko. Medyo weird.
Sobrang baliktad. Repressed person. Repressed anger.
Yeah, war machine daw.
Hindi ko maalala. Wala, may tampuhan lang, ganun.
Hindi naman wild away.
Hindi naman.
Okay.
Hindi ako wild person. Zen pa rin ako.
What do you do when no one else is around?
Ay.
Ay, Bible Black. Joke lang.
Kumakanta. Nagbo-vocalize. Ganun.
Sample to, sample.
Hindi, may tao around eh, so hindi niya magagawa. Kasi may, there are people around.
Ah,
That's
sige,
true,
kunyari
that's true.
wala kami.
Alis kami.
Alis na po kami. Excuse me lang po.
May narinig na kita kumanta nung magkasama tayo nung kayo riyan.
Never ending story daw.
Uy, walang tao.
Ay.
Next question.
Okay. Dream travel or dream
travel.
place to travel.
New York. New York.
Novaliches.
Madalas ako dyan eh. New York, Manhattan, dahil palagi din nasa pelikula yun. Yun, saka before may fascination ako with Siberia. Parang gusto ko masakin yung Trans-Siberian Railway. Yung from Vladivostok to Moscow. Na parang 7-day train trip.
Russian spy ito.
Na sobrang boring yata talaga niya in reality. Tapos, pero may, parang may romantic sense pa rin siya.
If you could only eat one thing for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Bread. Garlic bread.
Gardenia.
Bread makes you fat. Joke.
Okay. Sige, if you're an alcoholic drink, anong alcoholic drink ka?
Yung favorite ko na lang siguro. Taka, dalawa pala yun. Yung isa, Pale Pilsen.
Pale Pilsen.
Basic pero excellent.
Yeah.
Saka Baileys kasi masarap.
So, masarap ka.
Actually, reasons ko
Dramatic
lang kung
music.
bakit yun yung gusto ko pero kung gusto ko i-interpret na.
Hindi.
Like all pieces of art eh, up to
Creamy,
interpretation.
gano'n.
Creamy. Sweet, smooth.
Sige, last. Cat person or dog person?
Dog person.
Okay.
Alright.
You love him, bitches.
Baileys. Yung sa A Dog's Journey, Bailey yung pangalan ng aso. Wala na, nag-connect.
So, yun na yung favorite film mo.
Favorite drink, favorite dog.
It's all connected friends.
Okay. Next.
Now to you, Tristan.
Si Princess muna. Last na natin si Tristan.
Yung pinakamabigat yung kay
Joke lang.
Tristan. Eh.
Joke
what's
lang.
happened?
Tristan, si
Pumatay ka na ba ng tao?
What's happening?
Ganun.
So, wait, si Ses Bar ako.
Si Ses.
Hindi, ikaw na.
Ikaw.
Okay, sige.
Ayan na.
Sige.
Last for last.
Sige.
Ang ating prinsesa.
Sige.
Kung ikaw ang presidente, anong pinakauna mong papalitan sa bansa?
Drugs.
Ayan na, guys.
Ban drugs. Ganun.
Where
3 to 6 months ba? Ganun.
Ayan na, guys.
Ano ba? That's pretty hard kasi alam niyo naman na yung background ko as a student leader. So, syempre, you came from a point of idealism na if you were in politics, you would do things so much better. Pero right now, it's like an interconnected web eh. So, parang sa akin, what you have to do if you were in power ay do long term siya eh. Feeling ko you have to increase the efforts when it comes to education. I think that's where everything will flow eh. Kasi people won't vote for this kinds of leaders if they are educated. People will not be blinded by this duplicitous laws or mga patakaran if they are educated. So, though it may be a long-term dream, parang feel ko that's where people have to start eh. Kasi you can't fix the system current unless there's a revolution. I don't know. Pero
Annihilate.
Siya yung nasa may bandila sa harap.
Kasi I think, diba? Self-perpetuating system eh, so it's hard to fix. Pero if you change the people, the people who are being ruled upon, quote-unquote, baka dun maayos.
Yes, this is a political podcast.
Pwedeng pan-train to sa sila Gazzini for Miss Universe.
Oo, actually, no?
Diba?
But parang
Guys,
very...
hire nyo to Binibining Pilipinas hire nyo to
What's happened to my questions? But parang
Gandang Flores. Oh my God. Aces and Queens. Yan, charat. Alam.
So, saan ako? Nag-audition ka, no?
Hindi, ma'am. Kulang ako sa height.
Okay lang yun.
If you had to live in another time period, anong time period?
Minsan napapaisip ako nun eh. But, like, I would like to live in, like, the 50s to 60s. Pero, thinking na, in the current setting, Philippine setting, it's very, martial, post-war, magsisimula ang martial law. Pero, siguro if I was like in The Hague, Asbury, in San Francisco, feeling ko, I'll be part of like ano ba tawag dito? Yung mga new radicals ng panahon na yun. Yung mga, kasi
yung mga pa-counterculture nung
beatnik,
hippie.
Yeah.
Hindi ko ma-imagine naka-hippie si Tristan. Hippie. Walang sapatos. Kababo.
Parang hindi ko I'd be more of yung mga very killer darlings, yung mga mga beatniks. Oo.
Okay. If you could change one thing about yourself, what would it be?
Ang lalim.
Oo nga, ba't parang
Mga political.
right now?
Good job.
Focus. I think parang it's hard for me to focus. Kasi may ibang tao, like, okay, umupo ka sa desk to, they can do everything na. Okay, from 9 to 5, gawin mo na. Ako kasi like, kailangan dat na ng mood eh. So, minsan I work at night. I think I work best at night. Tapos yung nangyayari, puyat ako. The next day kasi biglang may meeting ako pero dinatnan ako ng
yung mga night owls talaga.
I'm really a night owl. Like hapon, I was working until like 4, 3. Kaya I'm tired. Yeah. Ano pa ba? Ba't parang
What? What's your favorite way to exercise?
Ay! Magpapatugtog ako dito ng
I don't know. I mean, I used to be part of the varsity noon. Pero ngayon parang wala na akong exercise eh.
Exercise yan.
Yung mga nalalang hip motions na lang.
Ano yan?
Yeah. Gigolo flex. Yeah. Up, down. Nope. I'm not. Yeah, left, right.
BA select start.
Yes, I am I am e-gamer. Risk a lot. Risk
PS4. Games na po ito.
Games.
If you had to create an alter ego for yourself,
Oh!
what's
Parang
the name?
Lalim.
And
pangalan?
ano siya, ganyan.
Parang meron akong mga alter ego ngayon.
Ayan.
Parang may mga pseudonym na ako ngayon.
Anong yung superhero? Or ano yung
Hindi.
alter ego mo?
Alter ego. Not
I don't
necessarily
know.
superhero, but ano yung probably ginagawa
O, pa-showbiz mo, gano'n.
Very Ashley
Maglalagay
O.
ka ng tape sa mukha, gano'n.
Yeah.
Member ng Phil's
Hindi, parang
Wala na tong podcast
Yeah,
na next
Phil's
episode.
gusto talaga magkaroon ng hat na gano'n, yung parang newsy hat.
Beret,
No.
ganez.
If alter ego, ano ba? If super far out, parang feeling ko I wanna experience how it is to be the music scene. Kasi feel ko yun ang hindi ko natutunan dati. Like,
Tama-tama, Phil's
Oh,
Cap eh.
how to rock out. Okay. Yun, siguro. Ashley
So,
O.
music
Hannah
guy.
Montana.
Ano
Oh,
pangalan mo? Ano pangalan?
Hannah Montana. Ganun. Ashley O. Hindi. I don't know. Hindi ko pa alam.
Tristy Mayon kasi di ba magpagabi ka. Tristy Mayon.
Oh, Laguna, Cavite. No? Okay.
Tristan Makiling. Uy, ganda nun ah.
Yeah.
Parang yung sa lookout na na character, no? Ihinahandog. Tristan Makiling. Wow, takina!
From now on, I'll start writing. Feature Palangka winner. Tristan Makiling.
Super far out na alter ego yun.
Ganda na, no?
Kay Hano de Manila, who?
Sino ko yun?
Mamalabulkan
Ano ba?
na ano eh, no?
Okay.
Oh,
Last,
hit me with
if
your
you
best shot.
were an animal, what would you be and why?
Animals.
Cats,
Lions.
ganez.
Yeah. Gusto ko maging, cat-human hybrid. Sumasayaw ng, memory all along in the moonlight. I don't know. Like, I've never, parang,
Pero freedom.
yeah, like animals have never appealed to me. Like, okay, I like dogs and ganyan, but I've never like, I wanna be like them. Parang, I like being human. So, if I were an animal, I'd
A more advanced human, which is still technically an animal.
humans are animals. I like to be another human. Like,
Tristan Makiling. Tristan Makiling.
yeah.
Sa April Fool's yun yung kanyang ano.
Yeah, magka-cover na ako ng mga Nine Inch Nails songs. Na very pop.
Very edgy ano eh.
More? Wala na ba?
Wala na.
Yay!
Yay!
I'm done.
Yay, princess.
Save the best for last.
Long time no here.
Hi, kamusta ka naman?
Hi, okay
Yun
naman. Char.
Yun na yung question. Tapos na. Hindi na tayo friends.
Yung traffic. Was it
Grabe.
so?
Like, sobrang char.
Okay. What is... Charles. Okay. What is the luckiest thing that has happened to you? Luckiest. sobrang
I went to
luck lang.
Singapore for free.
Yee.
At 28 years old. Char. I went there for free. I'm from SJTM, Bulacan.
May isang Pinay na naman na nakaangat. Wala siya.
Nakaangat-angat sa buhay. Galing sa laylayan.
Nakaangat mo na sa laylayan.
Yes. Yun.
Yes,
So far.
naman.
Nakahanap
May
pa ba ng
pasalubong
jowa?
ba kami? Charot.
Sama ko ba sa lock? Ano?
Okay, what hobby would you get into if time and money weren't an issue?
I, of course, making films. Wow, very
What hobby? Hobby?
Very sip-sip.
Sabi ako. Teka lang, may 5 million ako. Yun na kaya.
Very sip-sip, no?
Pro drug war film.
Mga based on experience. Ganun, joke lang. Yan. So, yun.
Pwede.
Bianca.
Hi, Bianca. Phil's Cup. I want to sing too. I'm a singer as well. I write songs too on the side. Joke lang.
Biggest pet peeve?
Ay, pet peeve siguro yung...
Kung tinatanong daw siya ng questions.
Naging green yun. Actually, it's this part. Ganun. Hindi, joke. Ano? Ay, yung nagto-talk over. Pag kunwari may nag-uusap.
Ala,
Tama yan, no? So basically,
Guys, shut up.
basically itong podcast ay
alis na kami.
Hindi, joke.
Ses hates us. So yun pala. Biggest revelation
All
of the
this
night.
time, no? Lahat ng efforts.
May deep-seated ano.
Resentment.
Kaya pala walang pasalubong eh.
Ayoko, guys.
What is something you like to do the old-fashioned way?
Ay, oh. Ay, cute. Ano kaya? Pananamit. Gusto ko talaga yung old-fashioned na
May
clothes
belo.
na-
Ganun. May belo.
Katutubo eh, bakit din?
Gusto ko binabuhat pa ako kasi sa amin ganun eh. May mga kawayan. Na joke. Ano, yun. Tsaka, yun.
Anong era? Wait,
Dapat
para
ano,
clarify.
Para malinaw.
Oo.
Ay, oo.
Paleolithic daw. Ganun. Cretaceous.
Cretaceous.
Yung lahat walang suot. Ganun. I love it. Joke lang. Yun. Tsaka, sige, dating? Yes. Charot. Yung kinokort the old school way.
Ay, may hara-hara na.
Yeah.
Dowry. May dowry. Kailangan
May dowry.
Ay, oh, may dowry. Yun talagang habol ko yung
Ritual
dowry.
sacrifice, ganun.
Ilan so, yung buhok ko sa ulo.
So ilang baka? Ang katumbas.
Ilang
Kung
baka?
gaano kadaming buhok, strands ng buhok ko, ganun. Joke lang. Yun, pananamit, courtship, ganun.
Oh.
Human rights daw.
Where would you spend all your time if you could?
Hi. Sleeping.
Sleeping.
Sleeping. Sa bahay lang. Napakaseryoso nung sa akin, no? Parang gusto niyong maawa sa akin.
Pahinga ka muna, sis. Okay lang yan.
Ayan, spend all my time. Actually yun, relax. Yung walang work. Kasi dire-diretso ako sa work.
Anywhere,
Lagyan na
pero...
natin siya, guys.
Nakikinig pala boss mo. Walang work.
Ay, sorry.
Walang work.
Vacation. Ganun.
Gusto mo mawala ng work?
Ay, hindi po, okay lang po ako. Masarap po yung mag-sales tsaka marketing. All at the same time.
Kung manalo ka ng loto, ano yung pinakauna mong gagawin?
Hi. Easy save. Ay, hindi pala. Naisip ko na yung dati.
Sabi mo, yes. Yun yung masasabi.
Sugal. Casino.
Oh, shit, tax, gano'n.
Maganda. Tax muna.
Diba?
Tax first.
Kukunin ng gobyerno to eh.
Yun.
Top 3 films.
Top 3, go. Stranger Things.
Top 3.
Kamandag ng droga.
Contradiction.
Contradiction. Kamandag ng droga. Top 3 films na
Bakunawa.
changed my life.
Bakunawa.
Changed my life. 2001 Space Odyssey. Tapos Strange Love called Strange Love. Doctor Strange Love.
Doctor Strangelove.
Tsaka isa pang Lolita sana eh. Kaso
Kompleto na eh.
Baka The Shining na yun.
hindi, si Kay Hitchcock. Sino ba to?
Which one?
Si Rear Window.
Rear Window.
Ay, yung mga
good, good,
Bakunawa.
Bakit?
Victorio.
Backlad.
This is not about me, guys.
Signal Rock. You. Signal Rock.
Signal
Ayan.
Rock.
Yeah.
Signal Rock. Tapos alin?
High tide or
What
low
was
tide?
the nicest thing said about you?
Oh, wow. Nicest thing everyone said about. Thank you. Yun lang.
About you.
About you.
About me.
Si Princess, ano yan? Blank yan.
Hindi ko alam eh. Wala pa nakakarating sa akin. Joke lang.
Si Princess, mabait yan.
Hindi ko matanda. Ay, lately. Siguro, sige, lately na lang.
Ano sinabi ng mga Singaporean pick-up line?
Ulan ka ba? Joke lang.
You often hear that?
Joke lang.
Teka, ano yung katuloy nun? Ulan ka ba? Parang curious ako eh. Oo nga eh.
Ano?
The nicest thing anyone has said about me. Maliban sa thank you. Hindi ko alam eh. Wala talaga nakakarating sa akin eh.
Wala ka
Parang kebs lang.
kay praise, gano'n. Galing mo magsulat. Ganyan.
Magaling daw mag-English. So,
Oh?
totoo. So, bakit? Yun lang. Ang pangit ng sagot ko.
Hindi, okay lang yun.
Yun, maganda
The
daw.
worst thing you did for love and the best
Hala.
Ay!
you did for
Okay,
love.
30 minutes.
Patutulugin ko yung ano,
Are you ready?
Are you
Are you ready? Ganun.
Are you ready?
The worst thing I've ever did for love.
In this 3-hour special.
Worst and best naman.
Worst thing, wait for someone for 2 years. Oh,
Magpapatugtog ako dito na.
2 years lang. Nang mahirit si Tristan, umalis ka na.
ikaw naman tanongin ko.
Oh my God, oh my God, back to me.
Actually, hindi ka lang host dito.
It's
Surprise!
a trap.
Oh my God.
Lahat ng tinanong mo sa amin.
Okay, going back to Princess, best naman, best thing.
Set him free.
Ay!
Kasi tinali niya.
Tapos sinako ko, pinasuwang ko. Ganun.
After magmakaawa. Like,
Sabay saksak sana eh.
Tinorture pala.
you don't have to do this.
Psychopath pala, nangingila ng ng simpat sa lahat. Pero yung totoong story pala, yun.
Sumersi, na pinasabog mo yung ano niya, bahay niya.
Guys, alam niyo ba? Tapos, behind, okay na.
Gaslighting.
Makakalaya na. Ganun pala. Yun.
Okay, thank you so
Yay!
much.
Uy, thank
Yay,
you.
thank you, Laura.
Si Laura, worst thing. And
Oh,
Bonus
binalik
round,
sa akin
bonus
yung
round.
last question.
Elora,
What?
meron ka bang project yan na gusto mo
Yes.
i-promote?
Showbiz, yeah.
Nandito ka man lang, sabihin mo na sa amin.
Ano ipopromote ko ang self-love.
Yes.
Wow!
into the
Let's promote self-love.
into the Darnaverse.
Into
the Darnaverse. Yeah.
Darna, far from Baguio.
Kasama ka sa ano, alternate versions.
Correct. Nag-audition.
Grabe, oh. Ay, ano to? This is not,
Yeah.
Na-joke lang.
Marami kaming nag-audition.
Talaga? Wow!
At nag-nationwide sila.
Even si Scarlett Johansson daw.
Nag-Scarlett Johansson.
Scarlett
siya.
Johansson.
Oh my
Scarlett
God.
Johansson yung bato.
Nag-audition siya yung bato. Yung
Sa
puno.
Soulstone.
Yung puno.
Yung puno.
Everything
So far, wala nang... Ay, hindi. I think, promote ko na lang Iska.
Iska.
Ayun, si Iska.
Sinimalaya.
Scalawags.
Yes, Scalawags.
Iskalawag. Part 2 pala ng Iskalawag.
Kala nyo, Xerox, yung pala mga batang sa Cebu eh.
Ayun.
Wow!
Yun naman so far. Ay, hindi. Septic Tank.
Septic
Tank
Already
3.
streaming.
On I1. Libre ba, libre?
Libre.
Libre, guys. Oh,
Yes.
yan na. Free na, oh. Ano ba
Tama.
gusto nyo?
Punta lang sa website na to. Pang-download siya.
Ano pa? Yun na. It's a wrap. It's a wrap.
Yay!
Alright.
It's a wrap.
Gusto nyo
It's
pa
a
bang, gusto nyo what have you watched recently? Although wala
Sige.
pa.
Sige.
Ano lang, fast round.
Oo.
Oh my
Please
gosh.
start the ceremonies.
Ano bang recent kong napanood?
May nag-check pa ng Netflix. Kung ano huli na panood.
Sorry, caught me red-handed. Nakalimutan ko.
Ano ba pinanood ko? Pose. Sa Netflix.
Mga batang post?
Hindi.
Yung post na ano.
Pose.
Ah, Pose.
Na series. Ayun. Gusto ko siya. Yun lang yung sinabi. Gusto ko siya. Ano siya set in the 80s?
Yeah,
yata,
80s New York. Yung ano siya.
Oo.
Yung drag scene, di ba?
Yeah,
Yun yung
drag
ano.
scene.
Interesting.
Well, actually, hindi
Mga
siya
drag-
drag scene.
Ay, yung ano, club? Kasi ano?
Queer.
Queer.
Queer community. So, sa mas naging malinaw yung yung
Ay, nga pala.
Delineation.
Pero yung mga ano, ito yung voguing,
between-
di ba? Sila yung mga voguing.
Yes.
Tapos ano yung mga house of extravaganza. Ganun. Tama ba?
Evangelista.
Yeah.
So, ano siya, mas naging malinaw yung ano ba talaga yung LGBTQA+. Kasi within the community, meron talagang nangyayaring tawag dito, oppression din within themselves.
So, within their community, meron.
Within
din.
them.
So,
And
may
their
hierarchy
community
din.
meron din.
And-
So, yun yung parang kailangan, well, hindi ko pa tapos, pero I'm going through with it.
Parang slightly related dyan. May scene sa Tales of the City na,
Yeah.
yun nga, may scene doon sa dinner table that shows Pati within the LGBTQ community. Yung mga old guys versus the younger people.
I haven't watched Post, pero ano na ba, natakal na ba yung HIV
Yes.
crisis? Kasi ito yung time ng 80s na like,
Oh, epidemic yun eh.
Di ba sa Paris is Burning? Ito yung feature na ng scene eh. Yung mga
Yeah.
yung disco scene na mostly black and Latino.
AIDS activism.
Ang nag-ano.
At the time kasi talagang hirap, like people were volunteering for trials eh.
And they didn't know how to, they had no idea how to spread. Hindi, I think they knew how to spread it.
They
pero
knew
didn't
how
know
to spread, they didn't
how
know.
to control it or how to
Yeah,
detect it.
oo. Tsaka yung, there's an interesting book called, if you can find it siguro sa book sale. Ganun. It's called Science Fictions. It's about how scientists discovered the causative agent of AIDS. Kasi dati hindi nila talaga alam. And there were two teams. There was an American team and a French team.
Di ba may ano pa nga doon? Yung like, maybe blame silang one guy na pilot na who's the first person.
Yeah,
daw.
parang
Pero,
patient zero,
pero
quote
apparently
unquote.
hindi naman pala.
Yeah, he
ganun
was
ka-
not the first.
Anywho.
Yeah.
Who's next?
DJ.
Di ko. Yung last ko na napanood talaga is My Letters to Happy. Although, we might be recording an episode about
Yeah,
it.
hopefully, kung magkita
So
tayo.
was it
direct.
happy?
Happy yung character ni
Was it
Glyza
letter?
at
Ah.
first. Pero
Spoilers,
it turns out na hindi naman first act pa lang. Pero it turns out na advocacy film pala siya. Funny nga kasi nung pinanood ko siya, may isang group of people dun sa harap, tapos nagre-react sila pag dun sa opening credits and final credits. It turned out na part sila nung foundation na isa sa mga sponsors nung
I
film.
see.
Kasi, ayun, basta advocacy siya for mental health kasi. So there's a reason why she's so happy at first, si Glyza De Castro. Ayun. Although, on a technical level, may issues ako dun sa pacing ng film. Parang medyo jarring yung may mga story developments, parang may mga nawawalang eksena, ganun. Although, we might be able to discuss that later.
Yeah. Direct, if you're free, dito lang kami.
Other than that, marami akong iba napanood, pero nag-obsess pa rin ako ngayon with Scott Pilgrim versus the World. So,
Vegans.
The book series or ano?
The film.
The film. Alright. Tristan.
Me, yesterday I was really watching Fleabag season 2.
Yeah.
Kasi I watched it earlier this year and like, tangina.
Amazon Prime to, Amazon.
Yeah,
Prime.
Amazon Prime. Kasi, paano ba? Very singular siya eh. I think, nangyayari ngayon na many comedy, quote-unquote comedy, tawag sa nila, comedy dramas.
Comedy dramas.
I think what's nice about it, like Atlanta, na yung voice of the creator,
Yeah.
siya eh, it permeates all aspects of the show. So parang yung unique voice ni Phoebe Waller-Bridge nandoon. Tas it's really funny at the same time, talaga siya, very smartly written. Isang galing ng performances, galing ni Andrew Scott. So I watched that. Then ano pa bang napanood ko recently? BoJack. Kasi di ko pa tapos
Like
yung
the
BoJack.
latest season?
No, kasi hindi ko pa tapos yung BoJack. So nasa season 4 pa lang ako.
Okay.
So
BoJack's a great show.
wala. Na minsan, it's too close to home.
Yeah. Ang bigat ng
Oh,
show
yeah.
na yun.
Oh.
actually.
Yeah.
Sabi mo yan.
Dressed in cartoons lang.
Yeah. Cool.
Princess.
Take it away, princess.
Kanina sa bus, pinanood ko ulit si Mrs. Maisel. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko si Marvelous Mrs. Maisel.
In fairness sa bus na yan, ha? Anong liner yan?
Cool, hipster yung ano.
Hindi,
Plate
sa
number,
pundo.
ganyan.
Sa pundo.
Hipster.
Ayun, kasi
Tarkovsky daw ang next na pinili.
Solyaris pala eh, no?
Paris, ayun, kasi maganda siya. Parang hindi ko masyado na-delve nung last episode. Pero yun nga, I like it kasi yung style ng mag-asawang Paladino, andun, na parang yung set na biglang isang ganun na camera movement, ganun. Tapos yung ode nila to old comedians.
Alright. Ako naman, wala ako talaga, medyo busy, so wala ako masyado napanood. Pinapanood ako sa YouTube na fan edit ng 1984 film na June ni David Lynch. It's a 3-hour version of the film that incorporates yung mga deleted scenes from TV versions. Tapos parang inedit niya in a way na mas malapit siya dun sa libro. As much as possibly, it's a very nice edit of the film. Pero yun nga, it's 3 hours. Tapos also, I'd like to talk very shortly about yung nangyari recently Kasi nagkaroon ng arson attack
sa
sa
Kyoto.
Animation. It's one of the best animation studios in Japan. It's a very small company. Out of sa anime industry sa Japan, hindi usually maganda ang business practices, pero Kyoto Animations was one of the best. Parang they had salaried employees, they treated their workers fairly, they hired a lot of women. Majority of their employees are women. And then this happened. It's one of the deadliest mass killings in post-war Japan with 33 people
Yeah,
dead.
33 kanina, diba? Gulat nga ako parang kahapon 13, tas when I saw kanina the news, 33 is like, fuck.
Yeah, kasi weird yung pag-confirm ng death ng Japanese authorities. They have to bring it to hospital, tas the doctor will confirm the death.
And then like, in the news kanina na a guy was actually outside, then he was saying, let them all die. Parang gagawin
Yun
habang pouring.
this disgruntled guy.
It's so sad.
It's so horrific. Yun. And if you can help in any way you can, donate, buy their products, yun, please do. If you're a religious person, pray. If you're not, send good vibes. Kasi they really made some of the best anime films in recent memory. Yun, A Silent Voice, Liz and the Bluebird, and so on and so forth. So yun lang. Jim.
Ako, nasimulan ko lang kanina yung Secret Superstar ni Amir
Yeah,
Khan.
Amir
Although
Khan.
kapag nagka-time ako, tatapusin ko na siya. Pero
Very
yung huli
nice
kong natapos na film, kasi ako yung hindi ko napanood na film, yun ang pinapanood ko, yung Point Break.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Catherine Bigelow.
Catherine Bigelow.
Wow, man.
So, amazed ako kasi syempre, babae yung nag-direct ng action film na to. Though, ewan ko, medyo nakaano ako sa acting ni Keanu Reeves
Johnny
dito.
Utah.
Johnny Utah. Although, ang gwapo niya dito eh.
Wow.
Parang my gosh, sana may jowa akong gano'n. Watching it.
Mag Keanu Reeves marathon tayo one day.
No. Uy, actually gusto mo rin ng mga old action like Top Gun.
90s.
Kasi di ba may trailer ng Top Gun Maverick? Tapos parang
Namiss ko yung mga The Fugitive, Speed, yan.
It was
True Lies.
the
Magandang
90s were a
90s,
good
ano,
time for movies.
Good time for action films. eh.
it's the Keanu Sans right now.
Ayun. May part lang dun sa film na I find dragging na.
I see.
Yung nag-uusap-usap yung mga surfers.
Whoa.
Ayun. Pero,
Wow, man.
ewan ko siguro, I'm not saying na hindi ko siya makonsider na best action film of the 90s. Although, it's a
90s ba siya o 80s siya?
90s siya.
90 siya.
1991.
My favorite
Oh.
action film of the 90s is John Woo's The Killers.
Ako Terminator 2. Ay nga pala, may shocks. Now,
99 yan.
now confused na ako kung gusto kong T2 or The Matrix. Sa The Matrix
Pwede naman,
feel ko,
pwede naman tayo.
Sci-fi kasi yun, di ba? Terminator 2 and
they're both sci-fi action.
sci-fi action
Oo.
ang
Sci-fi
ano,
action.
Oo.
Kasi,
Okay.
Wala to?
ako for me, True Lies. Kasi may
That was a fun film.
Oo, kasi may comic
Yeah,
actor
it's
ang-
a remake of a French film, diba?
Arnold.
And it,
It's at Arnold.
yeah.
Yun nga yung tatlong iba sa yung True Lies,
Arnold.
Speed, and The Fugitive. Yun. Ayun.
Sound effects, not top.
Sa kanya lang din ako
Get to the
film
chopper.
kasi
Get in the chopper!
I'm not sure
Get to the
kung yun yung
chopper.
first film na nagpakita na nagsa-skydiving and then yung surfing, gano'n. Kasi ang surfing film,
Wow.
yata napanood ko yung Soul Surfer lang. Yun.
Ano pala?
Hasta la vista, baby!
Action star impressions day pala tayo.
Appreciation day yung mga.
Yun lang.
Sa next episode, ganun tayo for the whole episode.
Sama natin si si Stallone. Adrian!
Hello po. Ganun po. Good afternoon, sir. Ano mo masasabi niyo, sir, sa ano?
Uy, Lito Lapid.
Ano natin?
Tagalog.
Ayun. So, Elora, thank you so much.
Thank you,
Very
Elora.
much, Laura.
Third World Cinema Club is 1 year old. Yan.
Yes.
So, hopefully, many more years. Hindi kami
Yeah.
mag-alabitals na kaway. Ganun.
We are officially older than an anti-vaxxer's child.
Dark! Dark but appropriate.
Sorry. Cut that. I-beat mo na lang.
I might keep that in.
Yung part na yun yung sa umpisa. It is officially
In this episode, darker than.
we are officially
Pero what's nice with our podcast kasi 'di ba yung katulad ng friend ko nag-chat na napag-uusapan na nga tayo sa Reddit. Parang I never imagined na
Ay, mga pala. Oh, shout out naman dyan sa mga...
Teka, kasi may listahan kayo.
Walang listahan.
Kala ko sabihin ni Jim, what's nice about anti-vaxxing?
Ayan pala.
Ano.
So for the next episodes, let's try something. If you have any questions, just post it on our Facebook
Yes.
page or on the send a message over to Film Police Reviews. So,
I'd like to say hello to the 3 Noels. Shout out, yo.
hi guys.
Noel.
So see you guys next time.
I forgot the last.
Maybe in Silimalaya, maybe earlier.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Bye.